So, most of us know PayPal as an online payment processing company, right? You use your PayPal login and password, and you use your PayPal account to buy things online. Many people actually signed up through PayPal long ago when it was part of eBay, and now they've had their accounts and they continue to use their accounts on other online websites. Well, PayPal is trying to expand beyond that. They're trying to become a integrated service provider for merchants. If you are a merchant, meaning if you're an online business and you accept PayPal as a payment method, but you also have a brick and mortar store, it would help if PayPal was accepted at your brick and mortar store too, right? So they're trying to integrate that. They're trying to become more than just that online purchase payment processor. And in this video, I'm going to highlight how PayPal is working behind the scenes to capture that market. And JP Morgan analyst asked the CEO of PayPal, talking about PayPal Complete Payments, which is this integrated opportunity to capture the SMB space, small business, right? And the CEO of PayPal responds by saying, what we do have is something like 35 million active accounts, talking about merchants on the merchant side, right? Because in consumer side, they've got over 400 million active accounts. But what they also have is over 35 million businesses that accept PayPal as a payment method. That's a big key too, right? Sometimes we forget to think about that other side of the equation, because if they didn't have that, then having a PayPal account would be almost useless because you couldn't use it anywhere. So that's our bread and butter. We have inside Salesforce and Salesforce that approaches both channel partners, the upper end of small business and the lower end of mid-sized business. So those relationships that they've developed with these merchants over 2 decades, they're now developing them further, telling them, hey, why don't you let PayPal be your in-store provider as well, not just the online accepted payment method. And so they have a platform oriented market model with Braintree. So Braintree is one of PayPal's business segments. We've got a lot of channel partners and large channel partners that are interested in it. So they've already received interest, which I understand, because if they didn't get that early interest, they wouldn't have branched out into this business to begin with. They probably sent out some feelers before they decided to branch out in this, and ask some of their biggest partners, what would you think about PayPal becoming more than just your online accepted payment method? And they probably got good feedback from their merchant partners, which gave them more confidence to branch out into this business to begin with. See, the CEO saying, I expect PayPal Complete Payments to be one of the most successful product launches that we had. Interesting. So the CEO is extremely bullish about this new product that they're launching for the small business marketplace. We have very high hopes and we have a very robust funnel of opportunity that we will start to come through as the year goes on. So for now, that hasn't shown up yet in PayPal's financial results, but the CEO expects this to start showing up maybe in the third and fourth quarter of this year. So that is interesting here, how PayPal is working behind the scenes to capture this massive market opportunity here, although it remains to be seen how successful they will be in this area. Traditionally, PayPal has been more successful in the online payment space with little success elsewhere outside of that. So I understand the CEO is going to be enthusiastic about it, as most CEOs usually are about a new product, but it remains to be seen how successful it will be. And looking at PayPal's stock performance over the last few months, I think the market is not convinced of the success this product could have. Maybe the market is a bit more skeptical of it, and they're taking this kind of, okay, show me then, before we start to believe that you can actually do it, show us you can actually do it. So we will see to this regard how this will go. And of course, if you've been following my channel, you know PayPal is one of my top 17 stocks to buy right now. So I think the risk versus reward is favorable in PayPal stock right now. But if you want more analysis on PayPal, I'll link to a video at the end of this one. And I've got several more videos on PayPal. So please feel free, dig around my channel, find the videos that interest you on PayPal, dig in deeper. I think this stock is a good value right now at these prices. All right, but that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.